Hello everyone! Welcome to the Holy Connection. Today, I want to share something many of us do daily, but maybe we don't always stop to reflect on. Why do we make the sign of the cross? It's a simple gesture, but it carries a lot of meaning. When we trace the sign of the cross, we're proclaiming our faith in the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. It's a way of reminding ourselves that we are under God's guidance and love. This small gesture tells the world and us that everything we do begins and ends with God. Besides being a sign of faith, the sign of the cross also serves as a prayer for protection. Since the earliest days of Christianity, believers have made this gesture during moments of challenge or uncertainty. Each time we do it, we ask God to protect us and give us strength to face whatever comes our way. It's interesting to know that in the early church, Christians made the sign of the cross only on their foreheads. Over the centuries, the gesture evolved to what we know today, touching the forehead, the chest, and both shoulders. It's become a powerful and meaningful symbol that connects us to the faith of generations before us. You can make the sign of the cross at any time, when you wake up, before a meal, as you leave home, or when passing by a church. It's not just a habit, it's a beautiful way to invite God into every moment of your day. So, next time you make the sign of the cross, remember that you're doing more than just a gesture. You're proclaiming your faith, seeking God's presence, and asking for His protection. If you found this reflection helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Holy Connection.